We've been working furiously for the past 4 years on creating an online loan document solution. And so, as a law firm, we were always challenged to try to find a way that we could produce loan documents cheaper, faster, and better. And it's going to continue, and that's just the way of the marketplace. And so, what that meant for us was automation. And we've been working on automation for 4 years, really consistently. And in the past few years, what we started to focus on was if we could take the same automation that we are doing at Girassi Law Firm when you hire one of our attorneys and the software they're using, can we get our clients to use the exact same documents and to be able to harness it for themselves? Because we're seeing a marketplace that's really fractured, and you have it where you've got really small loan transactions, and oftentimes you can't accommodate outside legal services for that kind of stuff. And so what we wanted to do was build a really, truly best-in-class system that can produce error-free documents with all types of asset classes and loan products. And so that's what we've been really working on. So Melissa, why don't you kind of talk about some of the features that we've been able to build out and kind of what it does and what it doesn't do?
Sure. So basically, these are the same kinds of loan documents that we would have produced in-house if you had used us for preparing loan documents. So essentially, we can do anything from a small fix and flip loan all the way up to a large commercial real estate file. Membership pledges, collateral security agreements, prepayment penalties, interest reserves. We've built all of this custom coding into the loan documents, and that's available to us to use internally, and then also for our clients to use on that online portal. In addition, we have several clients using the online portal that have had custom terms that they've wanted to use, and so we're able to code those into the system as well, so that they, at the click of a button, can say, I'm client XYZ, and the documents will automatically populate the items that they want in every single loan file.
And what's really neat too, and we've been hyper-focused on what I call the user experience side of it. And so what that really entails and what we're focused in on is just making sure that we can have a fast dialogue process. So you're going to go through, it's going to say, what's the loan amount, interest rate, these sorts of things. And it's a dynamic interview. It's going to ask you the least amount of questions possible to produce a perfect set of loan documents for you on demand. And what's really great too is it's storing all of those answer files for you. And so say, for example, you prepare a set of documents and it's the last minute and the borrower comes back and they need another $20,000 to close this loan. It's as simple as hopping right back in the system. You tick up the loan amount, it produces the documents right away again, and you're off to the races. We wanted to be customer-centric and customer-focused, and so we make sure that things like that, for example, there's no redraw charges, there's no software that you would need to install. It's a cloud-based solution. You could access it from any computer, any phone, anywhere, anytime. And it's a really friendly user interface. We're really proud of it. We've been working hard at it, and it's something we'll continue to work on and improve at the firm.